Here is the source image. You can see in this image a large number of reflections. That is ruining the image quality, but thankfully Adobe has added a new feature in Photoshop to solve this problem with a click. First of all, go to the layer panel, select the background layer, press Ctrl or Command J from your keyboard to duplicate the background layer. Now double click on the layer name to rename the layer. Keep the name reflection removal, hit enter. Now right click on the layer and choose convert to smart object. Now click on the filter in the menu bar, select camera raw filter. Here you will find out removal icon and click on the removal icon, and you will see here is the distraction removal. If you don't find this here, just click on the gear icon and technology preview. Then you have to make sure that the check mark has enabled and then hit OK. Now I will click here to see the others option, and you will find out here quality. Click here. You have to select one of them according to your image. I will choose from here standard. After that, just click on the apply. It would be take some time depending on your components, so wait and see. Okay, it has done. Now click here. You can zoom in and zoom out. Also you can drag the slider and see the before and after, or adjust the removal level. I think 100% is okay. Now click here, and here is the before and here is the after. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.